Okay, so this is going to be a special video. There has been a lot of things that are going on, and based on that I thought it would be a good idea to actually make this video. So I have two interesting updates that I felt like I should share with all of you guys. You guys also should know what's major things that are actually happening in my life. So technically there is a career related update and there is a life update as well. If you are somebody who is actually following me on Instagram already, so you might be having some context about that around the life update, but we are going to talk about in this particular video. So let's just start without any further ado. And if you have not yet subscribed to the channel, do consider subscribing it. We are going to put some really awesome content coming up ahead on this channel. So let's just start. So see, let me set the premise first of all that I also know, and I believe a lot of you guys will also agree with me on the fact that working with companies like Google, Microsoft, LinkedIn, all of these big tech giants is one of the very important things that actually happens in one life. And I am really grateful that I got the chance to work in these companies, meet so many talented people, work on cutting edge technologies, write code that can impact millions of lives. To be very honest, I really feel like when I look back on this complete journey, I really feel very excited that I have learned a lot, and definitely I know that there is a lot to learn as well. I don't know everything, of course, right? But the more I work with people working in these companies who are so talented, who are so hardworking, it motivates me as well to work even harder, work on my skill set, make some really interesting projects, make meaningful contributions, improve my engineering capabilities and whatnot. But of course, like as everybody say that these companies are dream companies, but dreams do evolve as well, right? So the first update that I have here is that I am going to leave Microsoft. I don't want to sound rude, arrogant or ungrateful. I was very fortunate that I not just got the chance to interview with these big companies, but also was able to clear them. I know it goes like a lot of hard work actually goes in the interview preparation for these companies, and very less people actually get the chance. And again, if I recall my interview preparation journey, it was also like very tough. A lot of preparation time actually went in preparing for all of these companies, and to be very honest, this was one of the best times that I actually had in my career. Microsoft is one of the, I would say, best companies that I have actually worked with. The people are so great, the vision of the company is very good, right? They are doing very relevant and very cutting edge work in the technology world. But again, as I mentioned, that dreams do evolve, and that's when I decided that I am going to actually leave Microsoft, because some really interesting opportunities actually came up to me, and what I feel is that for my upcoming career, it's going to align a lot with my thoughts. What are those? I will be talking about them in the further upcoming set of videos, but I would like to definitely clear some ideas if those are coming to your mind, that I'm not going to go in full-time teaching or something, right? I really love to be somebody who is doing a 9-to-5 job, learning something in those 9 to 5 hours, having some dedicated schedule, have some vision, work on cutting edge technologies, learn from people who have actually worked for like 10-20 years in the industry. Because I still believe that, okay, yes, I do teach a lot of people, but I still have a lot to learn, and if I am not evolving myself, I won't be able to part that knowledge to any one of the students. So no, I am not going to have a full-time teaching venture. That's not going to happen, right? What I will be doing next, what is the opportunity that actually came up to me, and what are my thoughts, I'll be talking about that in a separate video. But yes, this was the first update, that as of now I have left my job as a software engineer 2 at Microsoft. So the next update is kind of like a personal one. So I recently got engaged to Ria, and if you're somebody who is already following me on Instagram, then you must be already aware about that, but I thought it would be great if I can officially come up and share this news to all of you. Ria also works as a software engineer at Google. We share a lot of thoughts, and you are going to see a lot of the content coming with her as well, right? She is also going to probably contribute a lot of tech related advices, maybe some more interesting videos on this channel, so stay tuned for that. But yeah, it's a new part of life. I'm entering a new phase of life, so definitely very excited for that as well. So overall, these were the two important updates that I wanted to share with all of you guys. It feels important to me that all of you guys spend some time from your day, watch our videos, so it makes sense to also make sure that you are updated as well. That being said, let's wrap this particular video here. And if you are listening to this video as of now, like you have completed the video, don't forget to hit the like button if you like the video, and do share this with all of your friends. And if you have any questions, feel free to drop that in the comment section below. I would be really happy to answer all of them. That being said, let's wrap this particular video. We are going to meet soon in the next set of videos. Till then, take care. Bye bye. I'm Sanket Singh, signing off.